Hello, I'm going to teach you a new game. It is called Spend a Dollar. And if we're spending a dollar, we are learning to subtract, or the kids are going to be practicing subtraction. This is what you need. You need money, you need $1 to start with. You need some quarters, dimes, I will say at least 15. If you can have 20, better. You need some nickels and pennies. Again, if you can have around 20 pennies, that's great. You need 2 dice. If you don't have dice, you can make them with cards. You make 2 sets of cards, 1 through 6, and that you will be turning over instead of rolling the dice. And I created for myself 2 spaces. One where I'm going to have to start with the money, with the dollar, and the other one is where I'm going to have the amount I am spending. And finally, I need a recording sheet to keep track of the money that I'm spending. Okay, let's start. So we have a dollar. And we're going to roll the die. They say 3. Okay, the first question you're going to ask your child is, how can I spend 3 cents from my dollar? So maybe they are going to say that you can replace it with the coins. Some children might give you quarters or dimes, a combination of quarter, dimes, and nickels. Maybe dimes as well. Let's go for the most efficient. For me, in this case, what I can do, maybe I'm going to go with 2 quarters and 5 dimes. So 50 plus 50, I have 100 cents. And this is important for the children to know, that $1 equals 100 cents. Okay, so I have to now remove 3, but this was not very good, because how can I remove 3 from a dime? So it will be much better to have 10 pennies. All of these are questions that you're going to ask your child. Don't tell them to do that, because they are the ones that need to learn these equivalencies. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I prefer to put everything in a line, so it's easier for me to keep track. So now we're ready to spend 3 cents. 1, 2, 3. We put it here. So we started with 100 cents. We spent 3 cents, and that equals, they can count, 97 cents. Let's keep going for a few more rounds. 9. I don't have enough here, so what do I have to do? Again, I have to trade. Let's see that I have 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 11, 10. I replace this dime for these pennies. So I'm going to go 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to put these for now here, because I know I can replace as well here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I started with 97. I removed 11, and that I have 50, 60, 70, 80, 86. And now I've spent total, you can also practice asking that, 14 cents. So if I have 86 and then 14 cents, that will be 100 cents. And the game continues like that. 3, this is very easy to do. 86 minus 3, 83. And you can ask your child, can you do any tradings? Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can trade 5 pennies for a nickel. And now there are 17 on this side. I have 83 and spent $17, and that equals 100. The game continues like this, and as you can see, your child is going to develop some fluency with equivalencies, with the coins, which is what they are doing when they are adding and subtracting, that they are decomposing a number, maybe a 10 into ones in order to operate. So this is a good practice for them to do that. Have fun spending $1.